We made it. Gotta get fuel. Gotta get some snacks. Got some Mountain Dew in there. Good to go. Let's just head to the lake. Let's get them. Alright, so we made it to the spot that we're gonna hit first. We're gonna try to go after some smallies. Hope to possibly pick up some big ones today. So start off with smallies, go for some largies, and then throw some big baits for some muskies. So stay tuned. Nice. Northern.
Is that northern? Do you want me to net it?
No.
First catch of the day. Slime bugger. Oh, it's chunky. He gone. Another one? Snake?
Smallie.
Largie.
Largie.
Nice. Black spinnerbait. 2 fish in the same area. Pretty good.
Picture?
No.
Huh?
Not yet. You must have doing here.
Got him?
Not as big as the other one.
He's a snake.
I like it.
What do you do?
No. Get out of here.
I like hurting stuff. You want a picture?
I said I was going to take a picture of the next one. He's little.
It's a slime bugger.
Dad, you're going to.
Kiss the camera. He gone. This is usually where we do pick up all the northerners. There he is.
Got one?
Yep.
Face, come on, man.
You alright?
Yeah.
He was a slimy booger.
Yeah, you can't talk smack. You ain't caught a fish, dude.
No, I said it was little.
Oh. I was taking off all them weeds.
What is that?
A little perch.
Is that what that is? That's a bass. I thought I was taking off weeds.
Hey.
Hey. Not with a crankbait, I'll beat you up, boy. Alright. Alright, little buddy.
Where I keep all my crappie stuff.
Got one?
Weeds.
Get one?
Yeah, I got one.
Huh?
Yeah, I got one.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. That's a nice bass.
Yeah, man. You can get a picture of this one.
Do you want a picture with that one?
Yeah, I'll take a picture.
Okay. Where's the phone?
I wasn't gonna tell you.
Why? Why wouldn't you tell me?
He said you were one time.
There, look at that. Yeah.
He's a little thing.
Nice. Even though they're small, they're chunky. See you, buddy.
I believe that one.
Nice. Oh, that looks like a good one. That's a northern?
Yeah, I'll need the net on that one.
Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. That's a huge thing.
Can you bring it over here?
Just put it down in the water.
Let's wave this thing.
Nice northern.
Huh?
Nice northern.
You want to weigh it? Huh?
No.
Why? This time.
I don't need pliers now, okay? Oh, you broke my hole. Sad about that, boy.
I have another one if you want one.
I'm fixing this one.
What did it do?
Huh?
Knock the rubber band off or what? Here. All right. That's a big one. Well, that's one way to release her.
I got something.
Yeah! Get it in, buddy.
It's a mount. It's a bass. A nice one. Wait, no, it's not too nice.
Get it in. It's a good bass for you. Come on, man.
Yeah.
Good job, Mally.
Got a boy?
Did I back that up?
No, I did stuff.
Just like that, huh?
There he goes. Nice job, Malachi. Well, it's been a little slower on this side of the lake. Was kind of pretty good there for a little bit in the morning. I mean, we are doing pretty good, but we still have the afternoon. We're gonna go to Dry Dock, which I highly recommend if you haven't been there and you want to go to a lake that restaurant that's on a lake. I recommend Dry Dock. But I'm about to get a Reuben and I'm gonna smash that, and then we're about to go smash some more fish, so stay tuned. We're just trying to get some lunch. Look at these fish. Food was good, so now we're refilled. Let's get them. Start after lunch, right? A little Mountain Dew taste. That is good. There he is. Oh, nice. That's a jumbo. Nice, dude. Can I?
What?
Keep him?
We'll clean it in and throw them on ice.
Okay. Is it up here, Dad? Which one? This? Right here?
No.
Oh. Oh, that's big.
Yeah, that's good.
That's a big lightweight. We're here for eating. Yeah.
That one.
Nice.
These are good ones.
Yeah, fish tacos, here we come.
Dad, you're supposed to have to get Dad, you're gonna...
Here, bring it to me. I'll help you out.
I can get him.
Alright.
Actually, no, I can't.
Yeah, bring them here. That way we can get some more of them while we're here. We just need 3. I mean, we can take more, but 3.
At least 3.
3 makes a taco. 3 makes 1 taco.
I don't like tacos.
Actually, I'm okay. Well, this is me coming home, finding out that I forgot to do an outro. But I hope you guys like the OKOBOJI part, because coming up next is going to Spirit, getting into some giant smallies, and that's what we were there for. We only got into 1 smallie there that I ended up not getting on camera, which sucks, but it was alright. It was a good day of fishing at Boji, but the big ends will be coming up next. So go ahead, hit the red button, because you're not going to want to miss the next upload. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.